Hi everyone, my name is Bond. Today I will tell you about the book. The name is Bond8t, the Cat in the Tip-Top Treehouse by James Dean. Bond8t, the Cat in the Tip-Top Treehouse. Bond8t, the cat has built a treehouse. He calls his friends. I just built a treehouse, he says. Come over to play. Big friends show up. This is great, say his friends, but it is a little small. You're right, says Bond8t. It is too small. I will fix that. Bond8t starts building a bigger treehouse. Do you want some help? Asks Callie. Sure, says Bond8t. Callie carries up more wood. Can I help too? Asks Marty. Sure, says Bond8t. Together, they build a tower for Bond8t's treehouse. Let's have a treehouse party, says Marty. A party? Says Bond8t. But what will everyone do? I can help with that, says Emma. This is great, says Bond8t. Let's do it. Bond8t, Marty, Callie, Emma, and Grumpy get right to work. They build an arcade. They will fill it with fun games. They build a bowling alley. It has 20 lanes. They build a wave pool. Bond8t can surf indoors. They build a movie theater, and a skate park, a climbing wall, and an ice rink. Bond8t's friends all come for the party. Bond8t takes one friend to the bowling alley. He takes one friend to the movie theater. Bond8t takes one friend to the skate park. Bond8t lets one friend surf in the wave pool. Is everyone here? Asks Bond8t. Yeah, but we are all alone, his friend says. We came to play with each other. Oh, says Bond8t. Everyone meets down at the jungle gym. Everyone climbs down. This treehouse is amazing, say his friends. Thanks, says Bond8t. I'm so glad it brought us all together.